Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So today I thought we would make some steak turners, seeing as it's summer and it's barbecue season. So what I've got here is some 16mm round stock. It is about 24 centimeters long. And I'm using round stock for this simply because I don't have any square stock in the appropriate size. And it's Christmas, New Year's, so my steel merchants aren't open. So what I'll be doing with this is taking about 1 centimeter of the end to draw out for a hook to hang it on. I'll be squaring up about 10 centimeters. I'll use the fry press for that. And then about 10 centimeters or so I will draw out to make the actual hook taper section for hooking and flipping the steaks. So this is going to be a relatively simple, predominantly drawing out project. And I'll be making a few of these, but I will only detail making one for this video. And these will be up on my Etsy pretty much as soon as they're done. Essentially they'll be out of the forge and wiped down with some beeswax whilst they're still a bit warm, and that's about it. So let's get the forge lit, let's have some fun. We're at the stage of starting to round up those long square tapers we just made. First step is always, let's go to octagon. Need the whole length of that tape around. Realistically, I just need the very tip of it. That's pretty much as sharp as we need that. We're at a point where we don't need to use that anymore for that one. Okay, so quick, simple project, very functional, and very uniform. Not sure if you can see that. Anyway, I will put up some better photos of these. They are going up on the Etsy tonight. So by the time you see this video, they will be well and truly listed. So that's what I'm going to leave off. If you want a quick, simple project, these are it. It's a good practice for drawing out and rounding up. Yeah. If I were to do these again, and as they're on my Etsy, they will be done again, I will be using some square stock, simply because it cuts out the step of squaring it up under the fly press. But we work with what we've got. So, if you've enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. When you do, don't forget, ring the notification bell. So get out to your shop, have some fun. But above all, stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.